The EUI Library Economics Collection has particular strengths in macroeconomics, microeconomics, econometrics, and statistical theory. There is a rapidly growing ebooks collection, and our world-class economics journals collection is available online. These collections have been built up over 4 decades in close collaboration with the EUI Economics Department. The library's Economics and Data homepage introduces collections and services for economists and interdisciplinary data users. The library also provides access to specialized bibliographical databases for economic research and major economic reference works. Our desktop library also provides access to premier online economic news resources. The all-course inventory provides quick reference information about books and manuals in support of economics department teaching and research, and quick links to online full texts. The library also disseminates EUI publications via the Global Research Papers in Economics portal, REPEC, and the ZBW EcomBiz portal, and maintains specialist information directories for topics of particular interest to EUI scholars. The library provides an in-department collection of 500 heavily used economics course texts and data manuals at Villa La Fonte. The departmental collection and workspaces are accessible 24 hours per day with EUI card, and the library provides in-department support for statistical data access and use. Books from the main library can also be requested for delivery to the department. The EUI library supports data discovery, data use, and data preservation and sharing. The library's data portal provides access to premier international databases for research in macro and microeconomics, sociology, economic history, political science, and a wide range of interdisciplinary topics. Library data services include assistance with data management plans, support for data use during research projects, and advice on data protection, database copyright, and ethical use. And EUI members can submit their research data outputs for preservation and sharing in the research data collection of the EUI Cadmus repository. The data portal provides access to the library's subscription databases and selected open data resources. 72 database guides provide information on content, time coverage, variables, and terms and conditions of use. There are 3 subdirectories providing information about macroeconomic, political, and historical data, micro-socioeconomic resources with data about households, families, and companies, and European, EU, and Euro area data for research on pan-European topics, European countries, and European sub-state regions. The Data Topics directory helps match research themes with specific data resources. Each resource guide in the data portal has 4 sections: data description and scope, coverage and data updates, links to online support and manuals, and terms and conditions of use. The data portal provides campus-wide and off-campus access to premier international databases for research in social, political, and economic risk with country forecasts, global banking and finance, ownership information and market analysis, the European economy, business cycles, economic geography and integration, equity markets, macroeconomic data and key indicators, statistical data from Central and Eastern Europe and the CIS, and long-range historical time series. The library also provides access to specialist online archives of political, socioeconomic, and interdisciplinary data, and maintains a restricted server for socioeconomic data containing observations about households, families, and individuals which are subject to special access protocols. The library also provides support for EUI data users who require extra security for access to and use of sensitive data, for example, an offline computer or a secure room for sensitive data elaboration. The data portal also introduces selected open data resources in the research themes of the EUI community. In addition to providing access to data, the EUI library also provides personalized services throughout the research project cycle. These include support for research data management planning, handling data during the research project cycle, and assistance with data requirements in EU-funded projects. The library also provides advice on access to and use of qualitative data such as mineable text, surveys, interview transcripts, and images. In addition to data access and data support, the third pillar of the library data service is preservation and sharing. EUI members can submit their research data outputs for preservation and sharing in the EUI research data collection of the Cadmus repository. The first step is to complete the online submission form. By submitting this form, EUI members certify that the dataset for Reposit is the result of original data generation or is the output of significant elaboration of pre-existing sources. The library will make an appointment for data transfer and assists with the preparation of data abstracts and documentation. Full details of these services are in the library's Research Data Guide. The EUI library provides thousands of data software manuals and a world-class collection of books and ebooks on statistical theory, data science, applied mathematics, probability, regression, calculus, survey methods, and time series. Books, ebooks, and manuals in any language may be suggested for acquisition. EUI members also have premium access to the SAGE Research Methods platform, providing ebooks and tools in support of all aspects of social science methodology and data elaboration. The platform provides full-text searchable access to the Quantitative Applications in Social Sciences ebook series and the Qualitative Research Methods ebook series. The Methods Map covers research methods, concepts, and techniques, and the Project Planner is an interactive guide to starting, developing, and completing a research project. Librarians work closely with EUI ICT staff to provide the best possible infrastructure and security for data access, use, and preservation. And every Friday during term, users receive a bulletin with updates about statistical data releases, new books, ebooks, and manuals, and information on how to use library databases and internet resources for data-related research. Keep up with collection developments via the library blog and Twitter. I'm Thomas Burke, Information Specialist for Economics. Welcome to the EUI Library. We look forward to supporting your research project.